Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this. It is pretty cool, but you might learn a few tools along the way. We're going to take a star. Doesn't matter how many points yet. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to add a bunch of tips. I'm going to go up to Object and convert it to a curve. And when I do that and get the Shape tool and select all the nodes, I get some pop-ups. The first one is to convert it to a curve. Then when that happens, you can go over here and pick smooth nodes. Look at that. I don't know how many times I wanted to draw something that looks like that. I mean, that could almost, if you played around with it, could actually be like a paint splatter, and make some of them different. But anyway, then take it and let's make it the line a little bit thicker. And then Control D or hit the plus key, double click on the rotation and don't go all the way. And let's make it yellow. Now let's select them both. There's two objects. Go up to Effects and Blend, and I'm just going to blend them 30 times. And look at that. In this case, you don't need more than, well, you can still see the lines, but I don't think you'd be at an advantage to do 500. Let's see if we can see the lines. It's probably a better blend, but yeah, it's a smoother blend, but that also takes up a lot of memory and file space. And from a distance, that looks pretty good. And I'm not expecting you to draw that shape, but just an idea how to get those nodes to do that automatically. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.